All right, here we're finding the equation of a line in slope-intercept form when we're given a table of data. On these three problems on this page where I took this screenshot from, we're just finding the slope given the table. So that'll be the first step when you want to find the equation of a line with it given the table. So we're finding the slope here. We know that slope is change in y over change in x, like it says in our table up here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 points. Notice these are 2 points, -2, -3, and -1, -1. And let's just look at the y's for a minute. So the slope says change in y. So let's find the change in y here. So we're going to take this -1 and we're going to subtract, because subtract is change, -3. So we're taking this point, this y value, minus this y value. And this is where working with your integers comes in handy. We have -1 minus a minus. Remember, that becomes a positive. So -1 plus 3 would be equal to 2. So the change in y is going to be positive 2. Let's check it again. So we do the same thing. This time we're going to take this y value minus this y value, -1. We know minus a minus becomes a positive. So 1 plus 1 is 2. So this change in y is also 2. Then we're going to check the change in y here. We're going to take this y value minus this y value. And 3 minus 1 is 2. So this change in y is also 2. Then we're going to do it again. We're going to take this y value minus this y value. And 5 minus 3 is 2. And if your data is linear, which makes a line, then you will get the same change in y values all the way down your table. And then we have to find our change in x's. So we're going to do the same thing on this side of the table. So we're finding the change in x now. So take the -1 minus -2. The minus a minus becomes positive, and -1 plus 2 is equal to 1. So the change in x here is a positive 1. Then we do it again. We take the 0 minus this x value, -1. We have minus a minus, which is plus. So this change in x is plus 1. Then we check it again. You do 1 minus 0 equals 1. So this change in x is plus 1. Then we do it again. 2 minus 1 equals 1. This change in x is plus 1. So the change in y is positive 2. The change in x is positive 1. And that's equal to 2. Now, all these tables that you're going to be given are lines. So you only need to check your change in y and your change in x one time, and then you can use that to find your slope.